No, this is my project, and this is the HTML file uh, for showing. I add drag and drop features here, and this is for query, and this is for response. Format you whatever you format you need, and this is a URL for URL. If I add a URL here and click on upload from URL, then it's included in my files. Uh, this is the currently I'm using this data from download the data from uh, Kaggle, and this is the complete data set, and use 6 to 7 data set and up, drag and drop drag and drop on my drag and drop here. Mm, Drag and drop here. Um, I have not added the delete button, so currently I need to delete from my directory. This is the back and data, and this is the data, and this is where we store. This is the files I uploaded. Currently, I delete this file. Yeah, currently I delete these files. I think somewhere it's open. Mm, I don't know why it's not deleted. Where it's busy. I think it's run this code. Yeah, Federal Acquisition PDF dot run in this code. So that busy PDF. Now we delete also vector database. This is the our metadata files, and this is the now we delete it. So first stop this program. Now I'm stop and delete this. Yeah, now deleted, and now run this program. So this is here not running anything. Yeah, my program is running, and I'm waiting for loading the page. Yeah, now it's loading. Page is loaded. Yeah, this is open at my IP, and this is open at my local directory. Now I'm using drag and drop features to upload the file. This is the files. I use all three files to fastly embedding the data. So yeah, and drag and drop and this added, and now here embedding will be started. Now, now here embedding will be started. Text file is firstly extract the data, and if a PDF is image format, then PaddleOCR takes some time. Very fast, it's embedding the uh, PDF. Now read and what is inside PDF. Read and what is inside PDF to ask. Sort line reference in text. This is maximum purchase price of motor vehicles. Exceptions. So ask some questions on the basis of motor vehicles purchase price. Uh, Maximum. It's keep. It also gives error. Otherwise, it gives us a result. Because if embedding is not done, yeah, it gives us a result. Balance budget emergency gift. This is the use balance budget and emergency difference, and answer gives our answer, and yeah, it uses second document. It also uses third documents. And emergency difference control act 1985 provision. Maximum deficit amount. Balance budget and emergency deficit control in 1985. So I think answer is not look like very good, but as it keeps in proper format. I already checked multiple times for this. I use their embedding is um, um, BAI BGBS better than all mini embedding models. It's give accuracy 37-40%, but is 50 to 60% gives accuracy. Um, Confidence score. So in future we can use other embedding models for better embedding. OpenAI embedding models is good for that, very good for that, and Gemini embedding models also we can use here to encode the data. Yeah. But I can currently use Gemini uh, for response generation. For response generation, not for embedding. I think I have multiple files. Then embedding takes too much time for using Gemini. So I currently use mm, content generation for using Gemini. So here we use Gemini to content creation, content generation, and this is my API key, and I will change later after this video, and this I think I have made some mistakes, but yeah. This is a PDF to text extractor. First, we make five PDF to text extractor, extract the text and different type of PDF files, text files, typed PDF files, text and image merged PDF files, and all in image type PDF files. And this is made for vector encoding vector database encoding, embedding, using sentence transform for encoding, and FAISS for vector database making and storing, making. And for a complete storage and adding, we use a service vector store to proper manage the vector database and monitor the embeddings for if current add for some files in this code, so it embedding that files. And processor dot by this is processor dot by file query the process. When we give some query, then it process using processor it uh, find out queries answer from vector database and gives in result. And this is a templates for an HTML. This I make a index.html for my template for HTML page. And for document uploading, we call some methods in routes.py. Here is the routes.py. Add different methods from upload for query, for the data data. So the data was presented in uploaded folder. Upload from your upload that use methods. This and this is the main file which we currently run. Uh, Make a Flask app and run index.html page. Index.html page also contain JavaScript. And index.html contains JavaScript code to calling different route methods. And in main.py use background embedding if parallel multi-threading and use both multi-threading and multi-processing. If I have multiple processes, then first use multiple processing, otherwise use multi-threading to parallelly run the embeddings and query. This is simple architecture of my project, and this is the repository of my project. One mistake I have makes and mistake when I mistake that set up one we had some extra dependencies for requirement.txt before installing requirement.txt, so modified here. uh, Currently my package requirement.txt run with run for docker